Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen with tteokbokki. Begin by soaking rice cakes or blanching them briefly, then set noodles aside. Gather gochujang, soy, sugar, garlic, and broth so you can build layers of flavor quickly. Chop scallions and ready any protein like egg or fish cake. Keep heat medium to prevent sticking and adjust spice to your taste as you cook. Measure your ingredients before you start to make the process smooth and stress-free. Use 1 to 2 tablespoons of gochujang, depending on spice tolerance, and add a teaspoon of sugar to round out flavors. Keep broth concentrated so noodles absorb taste, while rice cakes stay chewy. Prepare garnishes like sesame seeds and scallions to finish with brightness and crunch at the end. Start by gently frying garlic and gochujang to release aroma, then add broth and bring to a simmer. Add rice cakes first so they soften without overcooking the noodles, then add ramen just before serving. Stir carefully to avoid breaking the noodles and taste for seasoning. Top with sesame oil, scallions, kimchi, or a soft boiled egg for richness, and serve hot with chopsticks and a spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.